Hi guys, okay, project airtrek update. It is mechanically fully sorted, so it's only right that we move on to painting. So the car is in full uh, stripped down, if you want to call it that, and it's it's being left out here to dry. All the putty, bondo, cement, whatever you want to call it, it is being left out here to cure at the moment. So once curing is done, they will sand and sand and sand again before going into paint. We're gonna just maintain this color, all black throughout the car, and hopefully it comes out perfect, just like how my S2000 did. Same shop that sprayed the S2000 is working on the airtrek now. I think it will come out perfect as usual lah. Their work is very good, and can't wait to see the completed job. Yeah, quite exciting. After this car is done, I've got to send my own personal airtrek in for a respray as well. Alright, that's the update for airtrek at the moment. The next video you see will be of it fully sprayed and completed, and ready for sale. I've got to clean the interior before I post it up for sale. Almost there. Stay tuned guys.